Biography of Sachin Ramesh Tendulkar. Who does not know about Sachin Tendulkar as an international cricketer? The whole world knows him as Master Blaster. The world famous cricketer was born on 24th April 1973. He was the best batsman in the history of cricket. He was an aggressive batsman. His talent is evident in many fields, both national and international. We are proud of him as an Indian. On April 24, 1973, is a nursing home in Nirmala. Mumbai cricket legend Sachin Ramesh Tendulkar was born. His father's name is Ramesh Tendulkar and his mother's name is Ranjani Tendulkar. His father was a novelist and a poet by profession, and the mother Ranjani worked at an insurance company. They were Marathi Brahmins in their nation. Sachin Tendulkar has three other siblings, Nitin, Ajit and Sabita. Sachin was the youngest child of his parents. It is heard that his father Ramesh Tendulkar was a fan of famous composer Sachin Dev Burman, and that is why he named his son after his name. It is heard that from an early age Sachin used to fight with his classmates at his school, and his elder brother Ajit introduced him to a cricket coach Ramakant to change his behavior, and from then on the coach started playing cricket for them. Then on, his cricket training was carried out twice in morning and evening. In addition to continuing studies, Sachin studied at an English medium school in Bandra, Mumbai. On May 24, 1995, Anjali Mehta, daughter of Anant Mehta, a prominent industrial from Gujarat, got married. His wife Anjali was pediatrician by profession. This couple has two children named Sarah and Arjun. It is heard that his son Arjun also has a special attraction of cricket. Cricket life of Sachin Tendulkar. Sachin Tendulkar first started practicing cricket at Shivaji Park. His coach was Ramakant. After practicing twice a day, the coach admitted him to his academy. He also spent the rest of time training his cricket through the internet. When he was tired of practicing, his coach played a game with him. The rule of game was that the coach would put a coin on the stump and say that he would give a Sachin the money he could get out of it. If Sachin did not get out, then Sachin would get the coin. With this technique, he made Sachin practice even more. He thus became a skilled cricketer. He first played the Premium Club Cricket Tournament in Mumbai, where he represented John Bride Cricket Club at the age of 14. He joined the MRF Pace Foundation in Chennai to study as a fast bowler. Then the golden opportunity came in his life. He played the first Ranji Trophy on 14th November 1987. He scored the highest score of runs 633. In 1989, at the age of 16, he played against Pakistan in the international affairs. He then played a test against England in 1990, when he scored his second century. He then scored 148 against Australia in Sydney in 1992. After that, he got chance to play in an Indian team. He then played against Australia in 1994 and scored his first ODI century. He was the highest run scorer at the 1996 World Cup. This time he was elected as a captain of his team. Achievements of Sachin Tendulkar. 1994 Arjuna Award. 1997 Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award, and many more. Runs record. He has been known as the highest run scorer in the batting history all his life. His total number of runs in a test is 15,921 and in ODI he is 18,426. He is the first batsman to score a double century in ODI. So far, he played a total of 657 international cricket matches. The total number of runs he close to 34,000. It is also worth remembering his performance in World Cup cricket. He scored a total of 523 runs in 1996 World Cup and 737 in the 2003 World Cup. Retirement life. He retired from cricket after playing against England on December 27, 2012.